Immerse yourself in a symphony of serene vibrations, resonating with the universe's rhythm. The subtle hums of life intertwining with your existence. This is vibrational healing, harmonizing body and soul. Envision your spirit as a tranquil lake, yearning to echo the cosmos's harmonious melody. Vibrational healing, a therapy rooted in ancient wisdom, provides the tune that your soul craves, restoring balance and tranquility. Your body, a magnificent orchestra, seeks harmony. Each cell, a unique instrument, dances to life's rhythm. When discord arises, vibrational healing becomes the conductor, orchestrating the grand symphony of your well-being. Feel the invigorating pulse of energy as it courses through your veins. Harmonious vibrations bring a renewed sense of vitality, rejuvenating the tired body and awakening the dormant spirit. Vibrational healing, a symphony of life and health. In the vast cosmos, your soul resonates with the universe's intricate symphony, a melody of peace and harmony. Vibrational healing fine-tunes this connection, harmonizing your spirit with the rhythm of existence. Vibrational healing, a celestial dance of body and soul. Unleashing waves of harmony, it soothes the soul, revitalizes the body, and rekindles the spirit's glow. Experience the harmony of existence, the melody of life.